Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Jingkyrduh, Jingkyrduh.
For admissions, contact 9688 999 811 801 255 3412 73730
Ka Sorkar Jilla ka Ïakhun ban pelat yaki Paidbah na ka Jingkyrduh u Menteri Ketnat PHU Markus Marang ulaong ba ka don ka Jingkhang ya kalan ka balai pulai KV namar ka don ka Jingthod nalor ka taw laong ba ka Sorkar kam shimla ban pendap ya ka Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3 namar ba kaya tengku bat kitra jaka bat ya mentaw laong ba ka Sorkar kadang ya keren penbaj bat kitra jaka bat shen la ban wengno ya kani ka Jing ru.
Department is doing their level best to sort out the issues that are coming out. So department is all out to solve the issues. Of course, there were some shortages because of the shutdown. Because of the shutdown, there were some problems. Otherwise, shutdown and breakdowns of lines. That is why the problem were there. Otherwise, department is trying to solve the issues at the earliest. This is being addressed. Yeah, this is being addressed. It was like this. Last time there was a shutdown of a 33 kV line, I think, because of some stringing of the some power grid there. So because of that, there was a shutdown, and because of that, some problem in the water supply schemes. Otherwise, now once this are restored, everything will be resumed. It is being resolved now, so it will be starting very soon. Regarding Greater Water Supply Scheme of Shillong Town City, it is now just because of the land issue there with some localities there. Only because of the land issue now it's being pending. Otherwise, it would have been commissioned very soon. We are trying our level best to negotiate with the parties there and then solve the issue at the earliest. Laying of pipes and some locations, I think construction of some things also. There are issues like they were demanding for the employments, and then when the government has assured them and then taken steps to give the employment, another set of demands are coming in. So therefore, to resolve these issues, government needs some time because it's keep on increasing the demands. So therefore, these are the issues that government is facing with the localities there. To commission the third phase of the Shillong Greater Water Supply Scheme, but because of the issues that is coming up every day, it's stuck up there. So therefore, sincerity of the government is always there, and then from my ministry, PHU ministry, is all out, and our sincerest effort is being given so that it is addressed at the earliest. The supply scheme Shillong, I think laying of pipes in some stretches are because of the highway extension is going on, so that is in part because of that. I think that is also one issue where we are getting hurdled. That is also being resolved. Government to government, department to department is getting resolved at the earliest. That is not an issue, but only the issues are with the localities, some villages, some some of the stakeholders there who are not willing to resolve at the earliest. That are the issues only. Drying up issue is of we all know that it is because of the global warming that is happening around us. So department has taken not only the PHE, there are several departments from government of Meghalaya government is taking all sincerest effort, to retain the catchment areas and to build that. Government has taken steps in soil and water conservation also. Through ADB funded funds, we are trying to construct check dams, reservoirs, so that we hold the water table in the ground. So we are taking all steps uh, to retain the water level in the soil. I don't have the figure with me right now, but I can give you example of some of the issues in Garo Hills. There are projects where department has already completed, but because of the drying up of the catchment areas, the intake point, at the intake point, no water at all at this juncture. So therefore, it is not possible from the government side to give the water where the catchment areas are being dried. So I would appeal to you again to bear with the government for some time, and once the monsoon resumes, I think all the catchment areas will be regained. I appeal to you. I would like to appeal to all the stakeholders to cooperate with the government and with the department so that we complete this project at the earliest. It's been lying pending for so long. Now, rainwater harvesting, it is, I don't know the concepts, and it is my personal opinion that we should take up this rainwater harvesting individually if possible. If you are constructing a house, if you can go for a rainwater harvesting, that will be very beneficial to that particular person. So therefore, I would appeal, if every individual, every household, whoever is constructing the houses, if they can go for the, or want to go for a house rainwater harvesting, that will be very beneficial, and it will help the government also, and also to environment as well.